Okay. Back to the board game.
Kamang magalo personal.
Ano? Oh, happy birthday, Coach Enjoy! Bah, makatanawari ka po. Happy na, birthday pa. Sasan! Oh, nabi mo, Mr. Personality! Wala! Para mambahin naman yung badyo ng 8. Ako, para si Aljur. Number 8. And goes to Mr. Number 7, the Rising Star. And the Kevin Galuto Parama goes to the Rising Star. It's the number 7 from downtown, 40 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. And I'm looking for down to 10 to shoot, 9. Yes! The Rising Star! Yes, nice one! Awashin is skewed. And number 7, the Rising Star goes to number 5. And to number 8, the Burger Man! Wala! Yan po ang last year MVP natin, si number 8. That is Tayag. Number 16, tuloy-tuloy! Wow! What a challenge! I'll check. Oh, Mr. Barico. Yung barangay na ka mong magreklamo tong. Number 7. Uncheck tayo. Number 16. Score is 40-32. 40-32. Alam niya tama ang score? Money score, din money score. Here's on number 16. 33-40 score. 40-33. 33. Mr. Controversial to number 10. Malyali! Sorry, miss. Up. Lako. Loose ball na tayo. 25, loose ball foul. First foul on number 25. First foul. First team foul. Umaabol na po ang Carmela. 7 na lang yan. Coach Enjoy, happy birthday. Number 5. Wala. Bigay bambay the ex-MVP. Ako, Mr. XMVP. Yes! Number 8. That is the XMVP. Number 7, Mr. Sasson. And to number 4, Mr. Personality! Number 37. And goes to Meta World Peace. And to number 5, Kevin Garnett ng Parabang ako. To number 31, I'm looking for number 8, Mr. XMVP. And to number 7, the Rising Star. Shot, service, shot clock reset. Number 37, Meta World Peace. Wala. Number 7, number 5. Wala. Number 7, that is Mr. Sasson. Sasson from downtown, looking for a receiver. 6 minutes and 40 seconds on our third canto. Mr. Personality. And to number 7. Looking for a number. And 40 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Number 10. Down to 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Shot clock reset. Ibang by number. Number 8. Mr. XMVP. The Burger Man. Number... Ay, bugang yung munas. Eh, muna nalapakan. Number 4. Paul. Number 7 of the Poroba. Number 4 for the Carmela. Mr. Personality, tapos na ang karir mo. May lost net ang bigay Aljur. For 6 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. The score is a 42-dari-dari. Happy viewing, Double B. Double B, eh? Number 5, first draw. And out. Six minutes, 14 seconds on a third canto. Number 5, Tayag. And sorry miss again. Big rebound by Chamson, the elastic man of the Carmela. Goes to number 25, Mr. Controversial. Ang gandang pass up, take a shot. Oh my! Malakas ka ba? Ay, nakakita-kita. Uli! Siete. First foul number 7, Mr. Sason. Dalawa ka na, sir.